Today, we are talking about a plan that has entered the market with a completely new set of features and has quickly become a strong contender for everyone looking for premium level protection. And this is the Ultimate Care Plan. But alongside it, Care Supreme Plan also stands strong and offering almost all major coverages with a very balanced structure. So in this video, we will look at the top two plans from Care Health Insurance, which is Care Supreme and Care Ultimate Care, and understand which aligns better with your requirement and which plan can genuinely support your family during medical emergency. So as medical costs continue to rise every year, choosing between these two becomes more about understanding depth, benefit and long-term value rather than just picking a policy. So hi, I'm Mariam and I represent Policy Hub. And at Policy Hub, we make insurance simple and easy to understand. So today, I'm bringing you a complete care health insurance plans review, which covering eligibility criteria, base features, optional covers, waiting periods, and the premium structure. Like you will get complete care health insurance policy detail. So stay with me till the end of this video because by the time we finish, you will have a clear picture of which plan suits your needs best. So before purchasing a care health insurance policy, it's important to carefully check the eligibility criteria, coverage features, and premium structure. So let's first talk about the eligibility criteria. In Care Supreme, the minimum entry age is 18 years and the maximum entry age goes up to 65 years, while children can be added from 91 days up to 25 years. And the payment tenure in a Care Supreme plan allow you to pay the premium for up to 3 years at once. And on the other hand, Ultimate Care also start with a minimum entry age of 18 years, but the major differences is that it has no upper age limit, making it suitable even for senior members. And the payment tenure is also more flexible, and this plan allow you to make payment for 5 years at once. So both plans follow a structured premium zone system, but there are slight difference between the two. So in Care Supreme, the premium is divided across 4 zones: Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3 and Zone 4. Zone 1 includes Delhi NCR, Surat, Mathura and Aligarh. Zone 2 includes Mumbai and the rest of Gujarat. Zone 3 covers Pune, Indore, Nasik and Telangana. And Zone 4 includes the rest of India. Care Ultimate Care also follow a 4-zone structure but with the wider spread in a certain region. Zone 1 remains the same with Delhi, NCR, Surat, Mathura and Aligarh. In Zone 1A, Ultimate Care includes Telangana, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Vadodara and Nasik, and giving this plan broader coverage in key metro and tier 1 cities. Zone 2 includes Pune, Indore, Bengaluru and the remaining parts of Gujarat, while Zone 3 continues to cover the rest of India. So this expanded zone allocation in Ultimate Care ensure more accurate premium calculation based on healthcare costs in larger cities and making the plan better aligned with regional treatment expenses. If we talk about the basic features of both plans, then both plan includes inpatient treatment, ICU charges, room rent charge, IU's treatment, modern treatment, organ donor, domiciliary hospitalization, all are covered up to the sum insured. And when we look at hospitalization benefit, then both plan begins with the same pre-hospitalization coverage of 60 days, but the post-hospitalization period differs significantly. So, Care Supreme offers post-hospitalization for 180 days and giving you more time to recover without worrying about expenses. Whereas, Care Ultimate Care provides 90 days for post-hospitalization. And in terms of ambulance expenses, then ambulance expenses also shows a clear distinction in how both plans handle emergency ambulance expenses. Under Care Supreme, road ambulance charges are covered up to 10,000 for some insured below 15 lakh. And once the sum insured crosses 15 lakh, road ambulance expenses are covered up to the sum insured. And on the other hand, Care Ultimate Care take this benefit a step further by covering both road and air ambulance expenses up to the full sum insured without any limit. And this makes the Ultimate Care plan more suitable for situations where advanced or long distance medical transportation may be required. So both plans is still maintaining strong fundamentals such as daycare treatment, unlimited recharge benefit, unlimited e-consultation and comprehensive care medical insurance features. But the Ultimate Care plan actually gives you some extra advantage that you won't find in Care Supreme. And these are the unique features. So things like loyalty booster benefit, newborn baby coverage and those yearly upgrade rewards. So all these added features make Ultimate Care a strong option, especially for families who want wider protection, not just basic hospitalization coverage. Now, by the way, at Policy Hub, we use over 15 years of experience in insurance to research and bring you insights like this. So you get real, expert-backed information before making a choice. If you want to explore other plans videos, then you can find it on our YouTube channel. Now let's come back to the point. So when we compare the optional benefits of both plans, you can clearly see how different they are in terms of depth and value. Care Supreme offers strong optional add-ons like Cumulative Bonus Super, which can go up to 200% every year and up to a maximum of 500% of the sum insured. And the best part is that this bonus does not reduce even if you make a claim. It also includes annual health checkup for all insured members every policy year. It covers air ambulance coverage of up to 5 lakh per year and a balanced benefit that reward you for maintaining healthy activity levels by carrying forward unused wellness discount. So you also get instant cover for diabetes, hypertension, asthma, and hyperlipidemia. After just a 30 days initial waiting period, a claim still benefit that covers 68 non-payable items and a PD modification add-on that allow you to reduce the waiting period for pre-existing disease and the Be Fit Wellness Rider for fitness-based reward. On the other hand, Care Ultimate Care Plan pushes optional benefits even further. It includes Infinity Bonus, where your sum insured can keep increasing by 100% every year and unlimited times. And this is a very unique benefit. And again, it does not reduce even after a claim. You also get grace period coverage. So even if you miss your renewal date, you stay protected for a limited time. It adds Claim Shield Plus, OPD cover for consultation and medicine, and premium payback. In premium payback, where if you have no hospitalization claim for 5 consecutive years, you get your first year premium refunded after every 5-year block. So it also offers unlimited general and specialist consultation, instant cover for major lifestyle condition without long waiting periods, annual health checkups every year, physical consultation with doctor, and it's up to 500 per visit as per limits. Newborn baby cover within 90 days and an upgraded fitness program under BeFit Plus. So both plans have a same waiting period structure, a 30 days initial waiting period, 24 months for specific conditions, and 36 months for pre-existing disease. Now, if we talk about in terms of discount, then Care Supreme provides long-term policy discount. You get 7.5% discount if you make payment for 2 years, 10% discount if you make payment for 3 years. And in family discount, you will get 5% discount if policy covers 3 insured members, 10% discount for 4 or more members. Care Supreme further rewards timely renewal with 2.5% renewal discount if the policy is renewed 30 days before expiry date. And it also provides the same NRI discount of up to 15%. And on the other hand, Care Ultimate also includes attractive savings and offers several meaningful discounts that help you reduce your premium. So you can earn a 30% wellness discount by meeting your wellness goals. In Care Ultimate Care Plan, if you make payment for 2 years, then you will get 7.5% discount. If you make payment for 3 years, then you will get 10% discount. If you make payment for 4 years, then you will get 12.5% discount. And if you make payment for 5 years at once, then you will get 15% discount on policy tenure. Ultimate Care Plan also provides NRI discount of up to 15%. And the plan also provides a family discount. If policy covers 3 members, then it gives you a 5% discount, and covering 4 or more members, then this plan gives you 10% discount. And additionally, Care Ultimate offers an early bird discount of 10% when purchased within the insurer's defined early purchase period. And when it comes to premium, both plans are priced differently based on age, zone, and sum insured. You can view the exact premium for a 10 lakh sum insured for 2 adults plus 1 child across all zones on screen, and this helps you clearly compare how each plan fits your budget before making a final decision. So when we compare both plans closely, Care Ultimate Care clearly positions itself as the more flexible and value-driven option for long-term users. And the plan allows a maximum payment tenure of up to 5 years. Not only reduces the hassle of yearly renewals, but also unlock better long-term discounts. The premium payback feature further adds to its appeal. If you stay hospitalization claim-free for 5 consecutive years, you receive your first year premium back, and turning your policy into a smarter financial choice over time. And the structure of this plan also stand out because there is no upper entry age limit. The premium is comparatively lower And most key benefits come with no restrictive sublimits. For families who want wide, future-proof protection with meaningful savings, Ultimate Care offers a very compelling proposition. And on the other hand, Care Supreme appeals strongly to customers looking for solid enhanced medical coverage without stepping into the premium category. Its biggest strength is the extended post-hospitalization coverage of 180 days, which is extremely useful for long-term recovery and ongoing medical expenses. Supreme also provides valuable add-ons like cumulative bonus super and air ambulance cover up to 5 lakh per year, making it a dependable plan for those who want strong protection but don't require the advanced flexibility and premium grade features of Ultimate Care. So in conclusion, both plan delivers strong performance, but their suitability depends on what you value more. So if you want maximum flexibility, long-term savings, premium level features and practically no limits, Care Ultimate feels like the stronger choice. If your priority is enhanced coverage for long-term hospitalization and a stable, well-rounded benefit structure, Care Supreme remains a reliable and balanced option. So if this video helped you to understand both Care health insurance plans, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone who might need this information, and subscribe to our channel for more expert insurance advice. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.